Welcome to Quollab Learning Community's Discord server. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the interest channel feature on this Discord server. So when you land on the Discord server of Quollab Learning Community, the first thing you encounter is that on your left-hand side panel, you see a lot of different channels and categories, right? So you have a start here category, you have a community category, and one of them is actually the interest category. Now, the purpose of creating this interest category is to let you interact with people who have similar interests like you. Interests like consulting, data analytics, coding, finance, stock markets, startups, product management, and much more. So let us move on and see how to utilize this feature. So when you scroll down the left side panel and you click on the interest channel, you find out this text channel called choose interest. So when you click on it, you see this message which is trying to tell you that we have created these different interest channels for you where you can interact with like-minded people. And then it tells you a way to join these different interest channels. And that way is that in this message, you see that different emojis are actually assigned to different interest channels. So you have D for design, this computer icon for coding, M for marketing, capital C for consulting, and you have certain bar charts for data analytics. You have charts with upward trend for stock market, then you have a F for finance, P for product management, and S for startups. Now, all you need to know is to identify the interest channels that you want to join and then react to this message on the interest channel with the emoticon which is related to your interest channel that you want to join. For example, if I land on this Discord server and I want to join the marketing interest channel and I want to discuss marketing with like-minded people and gain insights on marketing, read content that is related to marketing, and much more. So all I need to do is identify the emoticon which is related to marketing, which in this case is capital M. Then find that emoticon below this message as a reaction, which is here, and click on it. And pay attention here. The moment I click on it, there is a marketing text channel unlocked in the interests category for me. So when I click on marketing, I can see all the information that has been shared in the marketing text channel. And this goes for all the interests, and there is no limit for the interests you can choose. If you want to choose marketing as well as data analytics, no problem. Just react to data analytics and you'll find data analytics here too. And there are all sort of discussions related to happening in data analytics text channel. Same goes for stock markets, product management, startups, finance, design, and everything. And if you want to unsubscribe to any of these interest channels, or you have subscribed to it by mistake, you can always remove those channels by unreacting to these emojis or by simply unclicking on these emojis. So for example, if I've by mistake added the data analytics channels to my interest category, I can just click on this icon related to data analytics and the data analytics would disappear. And this is how you use the interest category in the Quollab's Discord server. Now what happens in these text channels is that you meet like-minded people who want to discuss the specific interest. So in the product management channel, you will find content related to product management shared in this channel regularly. You'll find people who are discussing different product problems, different product solutions, case studies, etc. etc. And this is how you can use the interest category on Quollab Learning Community's Discord server. Thanks a lot.